Hello friends, welcome back to Baran Creations. So today I'm back with a new video. That is, in this video I'll show you how to put cable chain stitch. So let's start. I have taken 6 strands of thread, put a knot at the end and leave one end as usual. So let's start. Insert the needle from below like this. Then put a normal chain stitch first. Insert the needle from below, make a loop. Then insert it down, leave some space and pull it up. Leave some space and pull it up from the below like this. So we have one chain stitch. Next, roll this thread like this, insert it down, pull it up like this and make a loop here. So here I'll show you once more. First put the chain stitch as usual, then keep this needle below the thread like this, roll it over once, leave some space and insert it below, then insert it up, leave some space and insert it up like this. Make a loop like this and then pull it. Roll once, insert it down, leave some space and then insert it up like this. So you can see the cable coming here. I'll show you one last time. Take the needle, keep the thread up on the needle, roll once, then insert it down, leave some space and from below insert it up and make sure it forms a loop like this. Our cable chain stitch is ready, guys. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe and comment and help me reach 10k subscribers soon. So please do subscribe and join our family. Bye. Have a nice day.